Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix some of these settings are hidden or managed by your organization in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix this issue, you have to run some commands in command prompt, and I will give you these commands in the description so that you can copy from there. Now I'm going to make a bat file using these commands. Click on File tab, click on Save As, and here the Save As type will be all files, and you can type any name. I'm giving A, and the extension will must be .bat. Now I'm going to save it to my documents. Click on Save. Go to Documents folder. Right click on your newly created bat file. Then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now go to Search. In Search type GPEdit. Now click on Edit Group Policy. Here under Computer Configuration, expand Administrative Template. Then expand Windows Component. Now click on Data Collection and Preview Build. And here you will find a setting, Allow Telemetry. Right click on Allow Telemetry and click on Edit. Click on Enable, and under Options select Optional and then click on Apply. Click OK. Now right click on Start menu, click on Run. In Run type GP update /force and then click on OK. Again right click on Allow Telemetry, click on Edit and then click on Not Configured. Click on Apply and then click on OK. Again right click on Start menu, click on Run and type GP update /force and then click on OK. Close local group policy update. Now you need to restart your computer. Click on Start menu, click on Power and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, hope your problem has been solved. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.